For example, we need to check the value of P0.01 and P0.03. Press PRG. Now it's P0. We need to press set to enter the second page. Now it is P0.00. Then press this one, the number 2, this one. Now it is P0.01. And then press set, the number 5, press set. And 1. This is the value of P0.01. And press PRG. It will back to the last page. And now it is P0.01. And press the number 2, this one. 1, 2. Now it is P0.03. And press set. And this one, it is the value of P0.03. Press RPG to back to the last page. And we can also check other parameters by press 8 or press 8. For example, now it is P0.09. Press set. It is 5.0. For example, we need to change it to 6. We have to press the number 3 to move the flashing number to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the 5 is flashing. And then press this one, 6. Now it is 6. And then press jog, G-O-G, the number 6 button. Press it, and then press set, the number 5. Okay, it will back to the last page. and now it has changed from 0.09 to 0.10. And we can click number 4 to back to the P0.09, and then press set to check whether it has been changed. And now it is 6. It means the parameter has been changed successfully.